Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Entonox. Entonox is 50% of nitrous oxide with 50% of oxygen is called as Entonox. Entonox is used mainly in the labor analgesia.
Entonox. Entonox it is present in blue body cylinder. The cylinder where Entonox is put has blue body and white shoulders. The pin index system for Entonox is 7. This Entonox is actually a sympathomimetic agent, so thus it increases blood pressure and increases heart rate. It is a CVS unstable agent and it will support the combustion. It is contraindicated in laser surgery and thus it cannot be used for anesthesia in laser surgery. So, summary: Entonox is 50% nitrous oxide and 50% oxygen. It is used in labor analgesia. Entonox has a blue body with white shoulder and the pin index system is 7. It is used for labor analgesia and also for dental analgesia. It cannot be used as anesthetic agent. It is a sympathomimetic which increases the BP and increases heart rate. It is CVS unstable and it is a supporter of combustion. Because it is a supporter of combustion, it is contraindicated in laser surgery and thus it cannot be used for anesthesia.
thank you and thank you for watching.